That's right, you do have the power because Word and Excel work for you. Don't you ever forget that, right? So, hey, activity 49, pep rally expenses. So, this one's a little different. We're going back to Word. And I like this activity because it's showing you, hey, you can type something in Word, but you can also incorporate the joys of Excel in it. So, let's say you're not feeling inserting a table here, so you can insert an Excel worksheet into a Word document. So, all you have to do, like the directions say, is just go to Insert, and then you go down here to Object, and then we just want a Microsoft Excel worksheet. Now I just did a double click, and look, pow, it just opens up a worksheet. But look at the title, Worksheet in Activity 49. So it's letting you know, hey, this Excel is going into the previously saved Word document you have. So what you need to do is just type the spreadsheet that you see on page 139 there of your handout. So I'm just going to type some gibberish. Nothing too new here. But the one thing on instruction E on the front, it says bold and insert a bottom border A3 through C3. So all that is A3 through C3. So all you have to do is highlight this, and a bottom border has been here this whole time. You probably never even saw it. Right next to the underline and the fill. So that bottom border, just click on that. Okay. And what it does is it puts a bottom border, and this is used a lot in accounting and when using numbers, but it's because it's like separating numbers from text. And also it just says, hey, everything beneath this is kind of like our totals, so you can put one here. So I'm just going to do some gibberish. Just oops, I'm underlining this. You want the bottom border. Do this, and then all you have to do is X out of Excel, and then watch what it does. It plops it in your Word document, which is pretty slick. Okay. So you just need a couple of these bottom borders, and you need to change the outside border to 1 point. So all you have to do is click. If you double click, that gets you back into the Excel worksheet if you want to make changes, or if you just do a right click, two-finger click on your trackpad, go to borders and shading, and this is where you want to make your outside border 1 point. So just click on box, and it's giving you an example of what it's going to look like. You want it 1 point. And then also your shading, you want it, we want it a light gray. We'll go with this. So click OK, and now it makes it look like that. Okay, so you just want a 1 point border, light gray shading inside, and then you just have to make the changes that you see on page 139. Just type all that up. All right, so this is just another way to insert Excel into Word, in case you'd rather have it that way, which sometimes could come in real handy. All right, thank you. Bye.